Hi guys, good morning. How are all of you doing? I hope you're all doing well. And right now it's definitely time to make some breakfast. Today I'll be showing you guys what I eat in a day. It's a springtime right now. It's May and summer is coming. We can all feel it. So today I'm going to show you guys some more like summer and spring recipes that I've been enjoying lately. So today I just want to focus on some recipes that make me just feel good and make me just really healthy and happy, and also it's just really easy to make. So without further ado, let's make some breakfast.
Ladies and gentlemen, many songs have been written, and this is one of them.
So pretty much what you need is a kiwi, and we're gonna use some spinach, and we're also gonna use some frozen mango, and then also some frozen banana, and my favorite minor figures oat milk. This is so freaking good. You guys have to try this. Yeah, so I pretty much make this every day because it makes me feel so good. And also I forgot to say, but I also add some mint in because that really makes such a big difference in smoothies. I think it makes it much more tropical and more summery. So I'm also going to be adding in some mint. Hello guys, so it's lunchtime right now. Today we are going to make Thai inspired wraps. I found these green sprigs at the supermarket a few days ago, and I thought I was really inspired to make wraps out of these. Why not? It's so fun. So let's make that. And this meal is of course vegan and non-processed, so very healthy and very fun.
It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Watch out now. Cause baby, I feel real good and I wish I would. Watch out now. It's gotta be against the law to look this.
Okay, so now we're gonna make the peanut butter sauce, and it's super easy. Like the only things that you need is peanut butter, some honey, and some rice vinegar, and of course soy sauce, and then a little bit of water to mix it really up. And it becomes like this brown peanut butter sauce, and it's so delicious.
I'm coming out the jacket cause we're turning up the heat. I wanna see you clapping when you get up out your seat. It's time to make it happen when we hit these streets. I'm coming in hot and I can't be beat.
I know you can't really see me. But right now all you want to do is just mix them all up.
Watch out. I'm on the move, I'm going up. I'm a man on a mission with no missions, and I'm looking for love. Oh, I'm just looking for love. It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Watch out now. Cause baby, I feel real good and I wish I would. Watch out now. It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good, baby. Watch out now. Everybody watch out. Okay, so I'm back in my room and I'm gonna eat these right now. I am so excited. They turned out so good again. So I made some peanut butter sauce, and yeah, so usually right now with uni, like I have my lunch at home because of course like uni's online, so everything is at home, so I love to make myself some good lunch. But yeah, so just like put on the peanut butter and you eat it, and it's so good. And I love these wraps because like they are so filling, but it doesn't leave you like feeling like gross, you know, after a really big meal. So it's like so perfect. I'm definitely gonna make another one after this, and then I'll see you for dinner. Hey guys, so right now it's around like 3 o'clock, and I love going to a coffee shop during the day, especially when I have so much work to do and just want to get outside and take a walk. So right now I'm gonna go walking to my local coffee shop. Support your local businesses, of course. They have such good coffee, so I want to show you guys the place. And I changed my outfit because I was feeling to take some pictures for the thumbnail, of course. Yeah, so I'm gonna take some pictures, grab a coffee, and maybe also like a little cookie or something. So let's go.
so much. Like, it's so good. I always go to my local coffee shop. Hey guys, so it's around dinner time. It's around like 8 or something, and I am super hungry. And for tonight we're making something with fish, some veggies and sweet potatoes, but it's so good. My flatmate actually came up with this recipe and I'm gonna make it as well, and it's just such a fun recipe and I really want to share it with you guys.
Keep dreaming without wording, the day is gone. Slow down.
So first you need to cut up your sweet potatoes and then put them in the oven with some oil and some salt and pepper. So super easy, only put them in on like 150 or 180 degrees for like 20 or 30 minutes.
Whoa, lie in the sun. Now I've been to many places and won so many races. I was a child, yeah, but now my only when is now, and my only where is when I'm by your side. My friends are sitting laughing, but I just keep on laughing. They're knocking on my door, but I'm knocking them down. They say I'm acting crazy, but I just wanna lie in the sun.
Alright, made my dinner and now I'm gonna have this, and yeah, it's super easy to make and I just love the combination of this. Such a smart combination, so thank you, Sophia. And yes, bon appetit for me. Hey guys, actually it's the next day. I kind of forgot to end the video, so I really wanted to end it here, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was really fun to show you some recipes and I really like filming these, so if you want to see some more and some more recipe ideas, please let me know and I'll definitely make some more. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and please like this video and subscribe for more. Love you guys, and yeah, see you guys in my next video.